Hey guys, here is a white Casablanca Panama ceiling fan from May 25th, 1993. I think this one was the 469th fan made that day. This one I got along with the Panama 5 from the People's Houses. This one did not come with any blades or brackets, that's why it has the other Panama's blades. So this one didn't come with any mounting hardware either. This one came with a 2-foot down rod on it, and of course it was missing the control. But this one does work slightly better than the other one did. I didn't get a chance to oil this one up yet, so it does make really bad bearing noise. But the board works fine in this one so far, so I might combine the two. Yeah. So anyway, here is speed 1, which I think it does lock up. Yes, it does. Speed 2. Come on. Nope. Speed 3. This might be okay. Damn. Speed 4, I guess. There we go, it gets moving. And yeah, you hear it. I think these were actually left out in the rain somewhere, because there is a fair amount of rust on this one especially. So that could have definitely done it. Speed 5. Yeah, I would not want to sleep with that fan on. And if it's moving real high. You see, this almost makes you wonder, are these fans really that good a quality? I mean, I understand the fan is very old, but you never know. And of course, it's basically an Emerson friction drive at this point, but yeah. It's not a bad fan, it's still good, but you know, it does make you wonder if these are really much better quality than the home center fans, but that's besides the point. The point of the video was for this fan. So anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.